Hello, my dear friends in 2021. Breaking Brain, and I want to wish you all the best, and I wish you micro wins. Why micro wins is so important for us? If you want to know more, just check it. Hello again, and right now I want to tell you something about micro wins and dopamine. How to keep employee and yourself engaged by celebrating micro wins. And what is it, micro win? Micro wins are marker for progress. Micro wins is like a baby step, and micro wins is like a tiny bonds between you and your big goal. But we need remember micro win is a small achievement, but not for your body. Micro win it trigger dopamine, and it's really something what can change your mindset. Okay, right now maybe you are a little confused because last time people saying so much about that connection between social media and dopamine. But right now I want to tell you something about your micro wins and dopamine when you feel you have just enough dopamine. Small wins count just as much big wins, and dopamine makes us feel good. After when you achieve your small micro wins, you just feel better. You re-energize yourself to win again. You have more motivation and you just believe in yourself and your power will to do something more. And in this case, for example, my story about micro wins. My story about micro wins is this is YouTube channel. My first step when I decided I want to prepare YouTube channel in English, I try to do something like this, but in my mother language, and I prepare Polish YouTube channel called Katalizator Wiedzy. If you want to check it how I sound in Polish version, you can just click link under this video. But generally, what for I did something like that. First of all, I have more energy to prepare something more advanced, like YouTube channel in English. I can compare how fast and how I can say about something in Polish and in English. And of course, I have more information about why are you so nervous because you need to speak to your camera, or maybe it's because I need to use English. And right now, I still want to do something like YouTube channel in English because I have so many good interaction with you, my friends, and thanks again for your support. And second, I still try to develop my English skills and my storytelling skills. And next, if you want to do something, we need to remember our first time is not really so perfect. And you can check it next link under my video. And this is like my first website, but my imperfect website for me like micro win. And right now I have more energy to learn about design, about coding, about next step to develop my skills. And I don't want to talk only about me. My friend daughter, Katie, tried to focus on painting, and right now she prepared. This is wonderful picture. Okay, like you see, if you try to do something new, it's always like step by step. And if you achieve something, your macro win, you need to be proud of yourself. And right now, please tell me, what do you think about micro wins idea? And do you think it's something important or not important for you? Thank you so much. Take care. And if you want and like it, just click and subscribe. Take care, my dear friends. Stay safe and be positive. But without COVID-19,